Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve a functional equation. It has been given that f of x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 plus f of x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x is equals to x. Then what is the function? What is fx? How will you calculate? So generally this kind of problem is solved by substitution and manipulation. As I said in the previous videos also, in this case you have two arguments. One argument is this one and another is this one argument. So we will make two substitution and we will rewrite the function and we will try to manipulate those two equations. So let us first make the substitution. Let t is equals to x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Now I have to write x in terms of t. So what I will do is I will cross multiply. So this is t times x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3. So this becomes tx plus t. This is equals to x minus 3. Now let us take x one side. So let us say I can take constant t to the left hand side and tx to the right hand side. So this becomes x minus tx. So t plus 3 is equals to x. If I take common, then this is 1 minus t. So from here I can calculate x. So what is x? You will have x is equals to t plus 3 divided by 1 minus t. Now once I know x, we can also calculate this term, that is the second term, this term in terms of t, because I will need this term while substitution. So let us find this term in terms of t. So we have to express x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x in terms of t. So this will be, what is x? X is t plus 3 divided by 1 minus t. Let me shift a little bit. And this plus 3. And this divided by 1 minus x, and x is again t plus 3 divided by 1 minus t. So if you take 1 minus t as LCM, and it will cancel out because it has in numerator as well as in denominator. So you will have t plus 3 times 1 minus t, and this will be 1 minus t minus t plus 3. So let us do some simplification. So you will have t plus 3 minus 3t, and this will be 1 minus t minus 3. So this will be minus 2t plus 6 divided by minus 2t and minus 2. So you can cancel out 2. So you will have minus t plus 3 divided by t minus 1. So let us multiply by minus sign in the numerator and denominator. So this will become t minus 3 divided by 1 plus t. So now I know the value of this term, that is x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x, and this can be written in terms of t, and this is nothing but t minus 3 divided by 1 plus t. So now I have this term and I also have this term. With this I can substitute in equation 1. So let's call this is equation 1. So now I can substitute these two terms in equation 1. So now I can say from equation 1 what you will have. You will have the first term is simply x minus 3 divided by x plus 1, that is t. So you see we have made this assumption. This is simply t. So this will be ft plus f of x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x, that is this term, that is t minus 3 divided by 1 plus t, and this is equals to x. What is x? T plus 3 divided by 1 minus t. And this is true for all t. So what we can do is we can replace t with x. So what I have, if I replace t with x, so let me write here because this equation will be used further also. So this will be, so you see, let me write here itself so that you don't have too many confusion. So this is fx plus f of x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x. This is equals to simply x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x. So let us call this as equation 2. So this is my second equation, and I will use this equation later. So I have copied equation 1 once again. So this is same as equation 1. Now we made a substitution here, that is x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. Now we will repeat the same step, but this time we will make substitution for this term, that is x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x. So let us do this substitution. So I can make a substitution. Let's call u. U is equals to x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x. So what is my next step? Write x in terms of u. So you have to multiply cross. So 1 minus x is equals to x plus 3. So this will be u minus ux is equals to x plus 3. And take the constant term left hand side and x term to the right hand side. And you can take x common. So this is 1 plus u. And this side simply u minus 3. So from here you can say x is equals to u minus 3 divided by 1 plus u. So now calculate the value of this term in terms of u. Because this term we don't know in terms of u. So what is target? My target is to calculate this term x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 in terms of u. So you will have, in the numerator you will have x minus 3, and x is nothing but u minus 3 divided by 1 plus u minus 3. And in the denominator you will have u minus 3 divided by 1 plus u plus 1. So let us do some simplification. So I will have here u minus 3. So let me use the blue pen. So this will be u minus 3 times 1 plus u, and this divided by u minus 3 plus 1 plus u. So if you simplify, it will be u minus 3 minus 3u, and this divided by u minus 3 plus 1 minus plus u. So this is what? So 2u minus 2, and this will be minus 6 minus 2u. So 2 gets cancelled out. So we will have minus 3 minus u divided by u minus 2. And if you multiply by negative sign, so you will have u plus 3, and this divided by, this should be u plus 1. So this is 1 because we divided by 1, 2. So this is u 1 minus u. Yeah, 1 minus u. So this will be 1 minus u. So now I have the value of this term, that is x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 in terms of u, and this is equals to u plus 3 divided by 1 minus u. So let us use this and the previous expression in equation 1. So this was equation 1. If you remember, this is my equation 1. So let us plug these values in equation 1. So from equation 1 I can say, so the first term is x minus 3 divided by x plus 1, that is this term. So f of u plus 3 divided by 1 minus u plus, this is f of u, and this side you have x. What is x? X is nothing but this term, that is u minus 3 divided by 1 plus u. And now this is true for all u. What I can do is I can replace x with u. I can replace u with x. So u with x. So this becomes f of x plus 3 divided by 1 minus u plus this is not u because I replaced with x, and this is fx. This is equals to x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x. So this is my equation 3. So this is third equation. So we have written 3 equations. Now here I have rewritten equation 1, 2 and 3. So this is equation 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now see, you have this term in equation 2 and you can substitute this term in equation 1. Similarly, you have this term in equation 3 and you also have in equation 1. So what you can do is, you can calculate the value of this term from equation 2 and value of this term from equation 3, and you can substitute in equation 1 and you can get the fx. So let's do this. So from 2 I can say f x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x. This is equals to x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x minus fx. And from 3 I can say f of x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x, this is equals to x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x minus fx. Now let us put into equation 1. So from 1 now. So we can substitute these two values in equation 1. So the first term is this one, that is fx minus 3 divided by x plus 1. So this will be simply x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x minus fx, and the second term will be this one, that is f of simply x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x minus fx, and this is equals to x. Now it is easy to solve for fx because you know, so you can see minus 2fx, and let us take everything to the right hand side. So x minus x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x, and this is minus x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x. Let us multiply by negative sign. So you will have 2fx is equals to x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x plus x minus 3 divided by 1 plus x and minus x. So you can take LCM, 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Then it will be x plus 3 times 1 plus x, and this will be x minus 3 times 1 minus x, and this will be minus x times 1 minus x into 1 plus x. And 1 minus x into 1 plus x is simply 1 minus x square, because this is a plus b into a minus b. And let us simplify other terms. So we will have, in the numerator we will have, this will be x square plus 4x plus 3. Similarly, next term we will have x minus x square minus 3 plus 3x, and this is minus x times 1 minus x square, and if you multiply this x into 1 minus x square, then you can write this becomes x minus x cube, and minus minus this will become plus x cube. Now let us see how many terms gets cancelled. So you have x square with negative sign, x square with positive sign, minus x plus x, minus 3 plus 3. So after cancelling all this term, you have 2fx is equals to x cube plus 7x, and this divided by 1 minus x square. So from here I can say fx is equals to 1 by 2 times x cube plus 7x divided by 1 minus x square. Of course, 1 minus x square should not be 0 because this is in the denominator. So this means x is not equal to 1 or x is not equal to minus 1. So this solves this problem, and this finds the value of fx, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you with more exciting videos in coming days. Thank you.